Hi everybody, this is Mr. Sweet. I'm the new business management teacher and film and TV production teacher. I'm going to share this with other teachers, so you may or may not have me as a student. I wanted to make sure that people knew how to, or students knew how to log in, sync, see their schedule, and join the classroom live online. So most of you guys, or a lot of you guys, will use Chromebook, so it automatically syncs you and logs you into Google. Some of you might have to type in google.com and then go over to the sign in and then sign in as a student. Most of you are going to be first initial last name -STU. Just so happens Tien, who's my daughter, who's a sophomore, someone already had T Suite, so they put a number next to hers, but most of you is first initial last name -STU at WUSD9.org, and then 2 digits for the month you're born, 2 digits for the day, and 4 digits for the year. If one of those are single digits, you'll have to add a 0 in front of it. And then once you're in there, a lot of times this will look like it's on, and you can see it has her logo up there, but you can see sync is off. You also can tell there's no WSD folder and there's no home icon with a little house there. So you have to turn on sync. Link data, don't just close that box, which a lot of students sometimes do, and then say yes, I'm in. And now you can tell that I'm synced because I have that WSD folder and then this little icon that takes you to your student portal. If you're using Chromebook, one of the school's Chromebooks, automatically set up to go to this. Alright, so you're fine, but others that are using different devices, you need to do those things to sync. Alright, so once you're in there, you need to go to your Google Classroom. Just click on that WSD folder, and then here's your classroom. It's hard to tell right away when you get to the classroom. It doesn't tell you what period 1 is. Some of us have put, the period, but some of you actually got to click on. So we'll go ahead, and I know she has algebra first period. After the title and the teacher's name, it'll actually have in parentheses what the period is. So that's one way to figure it out. The other way is to actually go into Synergy, which for students, that is your student view. For us, it's we have a different view, and parents have parent view. You sign in as a student, and your lunch number that you type in when you get your lunch is your login. If you're not sure what that is, send an email to your homeroom teacher and get that same password, 2 digits, 4 digits, and then once you're logged in, you can go ahead and look at your class schedule. All right, I'm gonna come back to that, why that's going. Oops, let's go to back to Google Classroom, and what I want to show you is how to join your class. So once you're in Classroom, and I'm not gonna be able to do it now because the teacher is not logged in, but if I went to this class, and some of them, looks like she doesn't, she put it in her down here inside one of her discussion areas. But you're also going to find, like in mine and some others, you'll see it here where they created a link there, or both, like I put in mine in the discussion as well. And when you click on that, it's going to take you to your Meet. But since the teacher is not logged in, I can't get in because I can't create the Meet. The teacher's got to do that. All right, so your schedule. First period is going to be 8 o'clock, and then you can see here, maybe you write that down or take a picture of it, but this is where you need to be. First period, second period, they'll have different times that they'll go live and then send you to the classroom to do your work, but you have to be there, and I would be there a minute or a few minutes early, and if you want to be on time, you got to be there before that time or at that time. All right, looks like having some problems with student view, so I'm not going to go ahead and show you that. But if you have any questions about your schedule or any of that, just go ahead and send an email to your homeroom teacher. They should have emailed you already, and that's it. Thank you.